Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make gunkan. Okay, last time also I teach you. It's a Japanese gunkan. Okay, it's not a European gunkan. Here you can see like a bowl of the rice. You can make one bowl like this, or you can do like this. Okay, you will take like this rice and put here. Yeah, one is the normal. We have the bowl. Yeah, one is the different. Okay, this is the oval. I have here Noori seaweed, and I'll cut. For the other stuff, yeah. Let's do this, okay. So this is your cheese. One is happens like this. You can see here, yeah. This is the gunkan, and another will be here. Then it's like this, but it will be a more ball. Nice. Or you can put here a little bit rice, so it will be in a good condition. I have here one is the black Tobiko. This is the green Tobiko with wasabi. Yeah, Tobiko wasabi. I'll make this salmon gunkan also, okay. Cucumber gunkan, okay. This is the Did you see the gunkan? Okay, now it's all from the cream cheese, okay. This is the picado of the salmons. So salmon picado, okay. Half the Tobiko, okay. Half the Tobiko black also. This is the black Tobiko. The fusion sushi, that's why I'm using the fruits also. I'll use here the raspberry, okay. This is the mint, and I can use this also blackberry also. Nice. Very good, yeah. Another salmon gunkan, I can use this. This is the malageta, spring onion. I can use this also. For the another, yeah, for the this one, so I can use the sesame seeds. Now all the gunkan is ready. Okay, let's see. Here is the gunkans. You can see here. I'm putting here the Tobiko wasabi. That is the black Tobiko, and here I am using the blackberry, raspberry. Here is the malageta for the salmon gunkan, and here is the sesame seeds, and here it's the cibolin, spring onion, okay.